चाय वाला। जो भी तारीफ मिले उसे प्रसाद समझ के ले लेना
हमेशा।
हाँ जी, हम लोग ऐसे ऐसे इनके नजदीक जा रहा हूँ। You know, I just keep on getting, you know, closer and closer and closer. Yes.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, tell me your favorite Anees Bazbi film that you were a part of.
No entry.
No entry. Is there a sequel coming?
Oh, 100%.
So do you get annoyed when people still, every time you meet them, they tell you, "Acha jhakas." Do you get annoyed? Are you like, "Nahi, this is part of who you are"?
I tell you what, you can't get annoyed, you know. Like they say Jackass, or they say, you know, Ram Lakhan, or they say Munna, you know, this and, you know, all these films, and Slumdog ka wo jo dialogue hai, what up hai, you know. It makes you feel nice, of course. You look so good, you look young.
Yeah.
Obviously, you know, can't, you know.
But do you sometimes
जो भी तारीफ मिले उसे प्रसाद समझ के ले लेना
हमेशा। पर कभी ऐसा होता है किसी ने कुछ बोला नहीं, वाला करे यार अब इतना कुछ कर चुका हूँ मैं झकास के बाद।
मेरा हमेशा होता है कि कुछ नहीं, कुछ नया। तो ये सब भी हो, ये सब तारीफें भी हो, साथ में एक
और भी। Okay, tell me your favorite Arjun Kapoor film.
My favorite Arjun Kapoor film is Mubaraka.
Except for Mubaraka.
No, I swear to God, genuinely बोल रहा हूँ।
Okay, one thing that Arjun has you don't have, and vice versa. One thing you have that Arjun doesn't have.
I think Arjun, what he has, I don't have. I think his height. He's tall to me.
Yeah.
And I wish I had his height.
And one thing you have that he doesn't have.
What I have? Yeah.
The fountain of youth.
No. I have 3 children.
You have 3
I'm married.
children. Okay.
He doesn't have children.
He's
not married.
Not yet.
Yep,
Not yet.
yep,
Okay.
Yep.
There's that one quality that you don't want your children to inherit from you.
From me?
Yeah.
What? Yeah. I think a lot of qualities. Yeah.
Tell me one. कि ये तो मतलब अगर नहीं हो उनमें तो शायद better होगा शायद.
You know, I take too much time to say. Sometimes I feel I drag things. And my name, a lot of people have kept Anil Kapoor postponement.
Why?
Yeah, I keep on postponing things, you know. But once I get into it,
then you're in it.
Then I'm like a horse. But it takes time for me to, you know, embrace it.
Okay, so this is also an ensemble cast. Dil Dhadakne Do, what a beautiful film even that is. Which was more fun to shoot?
Actually,
because that was also on the cruise and it was this whole experience. The cast got along so well.
I've been very fortunate actually, both Dil Dhadakne Do and Mubaraka. Dil Dhadakne Do because, you know, it traveled to so many countries.
Yeah.
And Mubaraka, of course, I shot most. My work is completely in England. I love England. I love London. So if I have to really settle down anywhere in the world, it will be
London.
In England.
Okay.
It cannot be in London City. My wife likes London City. I like the countryside. You know, and
Shant,
and that's what is in Mubaraka, the countryside.
Okay, co-stars you have to pick. Okay, 2 I'm going to give you: Madhuri Dixit or Sridevi.
Madhuri Dixit or Sridevi. I think both have their own qualities, and you know,
and we love them both.
Both love, but I've done as many films with Madhuri as much as I've done with Sridevi. So at the moment, my focus is Aishwarya Rai.
Aishwarya Rai. That we are looking forward to that pairing for sure.
My focus is there.
Romance, तो आपका मतलब even with Arjun Kapoor, your chachu is so good. So, and your romance from back in the day was with Jaguda, right? So
Ranveer Singh बोल गया. Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer Singh का romance. I'm so sorry. This is my bad entirely. So if you have to pick between Arjun Kapoor, Ranveer Singh, and Jackie Shroff.
Jackie Shroff.
Jackie Shroff.
Jaggu Dada.
Now
I have to do a bromance with Tiger Shroff.
You have to.
With Tiger Shroff.
No, with Jaggu Dada.
No.
With Tiger Shroff.
Jaggu Dada को भी ले लेंगे.
ठीक है, उनको दे देंगे.
But me and Tiger playing friends, you know.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay, and finally you have done very well. I have 2 requests from you. You have to teach me how to say what a player and chaiwala, like how you say it.
Okay.
Is there a trick, like how do you say it so coolly?
What a player! Chaiwala! Say it.
What a player! No, it's not.
No.
What
a player!
What a player! And chaiwala.
That's it.
Thank you so much everybody for watching. Thank you for your time, and you have to watch Mubaraka in theatres on the 28th of July because ये youthfulness और attraction उस picture में बड़े पर्दे पे, how will you not watch it? Absolutely.
Jackass.
Jackass.